Yeah, diesel automatic. Get big on the ambush, motherfucker. Yo, first of all, I wanna say, motherfuck the system and free all of the drug offenders that are stuck in prison. The drug war is nothing but a corporate war for profit, and every drug arrest is money in somebody's pocket. The rich get richer while the rest are left to die. People never question why, they just shut up and comply with the orders that they given. Their thoughts are in a prison cause they never go beyond the mental borders that they live in. Fear got them shackled in imaginary chains. Freedom's an illusion contrary to what they claim. Slavery's a catalyst for monetary gain. So the people that we choose to leave will never bring us change. Cause to be the president up in the White House, you gotta serve the ones who follow Adam Weishaupt. And if you ever try to change and take the right route, they gon' let that thing bang and blow your lights out. That's what happened to Abe Lincoln and Kennedy. Any president that's for the people is the enemy. And any president that ever led a campaign to end the Fed just ended up dead. Now that's a damn shame. This ain't a damn game. This is a war, fam. For more power, more money, and more land. More oil, more silver, and more gold. First they take away your freedom, then they taking your soul. Are you hearing me clearly? Do you still think this shit is a conspiracy theory? Do some research. This is public information. Since the very start there's been corruption in our nation. Our government's a puppet that is run by corporations. They don't give a fuck about the suffering population. They devalue our labor and our money with inflation. Then have the nerve to say it's economic stimulation. Every move they make has ulterior motives. They so arrogant that they don't even care if we notice. They expose their plans with declassified documents. They confident that we too pacified to put a stop to it. Shit. And maybe they right, but not me. Diesel automatics made for the fight. It's an ambush, guerrilla style. Military general. Kill a child in a foreign land and you're a hero now. But kill a child here and catch a life sentence. That double standard really sends the right message. Soldiers are remorseless when burying corpses. They simply taking orders from superior bosses. Americans, they claim a part of terrorist forces. Get locked up and tortured with no habeas corpus. You catch a beat until you're black and you're blue. You'll be crying and bleeding while they laughing at you. These are facts that I'm spitting, what I'm rapping is true. You think it's not possible until it happens to you. If they strip one citizen of one single right, then none of us are free, and that's the reason we should fight. Now's the time for the people to rise and expose the truth behind the secrets and lies. Put an end to the elitists who treat us as slaves. They lead us astray, deceiving us with treasonous ways. Based on history, the logical solution to the problems that we facing is to start a revolution. One life, one take. No, this ain't a rough cut. The dream is over, now it's time to wake the fuck up.